So, good day everyone. For this video, we will be answering some problems relating the derivative of a inverse trigonometric functions. And before I will show the formulas for this one, we will try to derive some one of the formula for the inverse trigonometric functions. And so let's start. Before di ay nakumakuan is ang pagsulat sa inverse of trigo is pwede for example si sine iyang inverse is can be denote as arc sine or just sine raised to -1. Ana lang ang pagsulat and the same as goes with the other trigonometric functions. So, if we will be deriving the formula for this type of trigo inverse, we need to differentiate the function and let y be equal to arc sine of x. And to derive this, since wala ta kabalo sa derivative ni arc sine, we can simplify this by multiplying both sides of the sine. And by distributing this one, this can be simplified into sine y be equal to arc sine times this sine. It will cancel out. So, bili na lang is x. So, that will be the simplified equation now. And if we will be deriving this equation with respect to x, is diba sa higher derivative is magbilin ta og dy over dx pag mag-derive ta with respect to x and naatay function na y. So, for example, this one, the derivative of sine y with respect to x would be cosine y, and since again with respect to x na siya multiplication na siya naka-multiply nga dy over dx. So, ana lang siya equal to, since with respect to x, derivative of x is just 1, right? So, to simplify this, let's divide both side by cosine y. So, our equation now would just be dy over dx equal to 1 over cosine y. Now, unsay sunod? From the formula of our Pythagorean theorem in trigonometric identity, we have sine squared y plus cosine squared y equals to 1. Since our derivative here is just a cosine y, we can find the value of cosine y by transferring sine squared y to the right side. So cos squared y equal to 1 minus sine squared y, right? So, by taking its square root to cancel out the exponent, mabili na lang, cancel ni. So, cosine y now is equal to this one, 1 minus sine squared y, square root. So, pwede ito siya ma-plug in. That would give us dy over dx is equal to, plug in nato si value ni cosine y nga nato ang na-derive. So, 1 all over 1 minus sine squared y equal square root, I mean. And since from the start, ganiha, ato ang gilet si y as equal to x, kanay tama, di ba? So, sin y, di ba, is equal kang x. So, we can plug the value of sin y here. So, that would give us dy over dx is also equal to 1 all over 1 minus x squared. So, we have derived the formula for the inverse derivative of the inverse trigonometric of sine. So, if we let, halimbawa, if we let x as a function, y is equal to, for example, arc sine x. If we let the x as a function, pwede ta maka-apply sa chain rule nga equal siya kang x prime all over 1 minus x squared. And na-derive na to ang formula for the arcsine, which is, tara, here are the following formula sa other inverse trigonometric function. So sige, para masabtan, let us now try to answer some sample problem. For example number 1, find the derivative of the function y is equal to arctan of 2x. So, if we will be referring to the formula above, this one, the derivative of arctan u is equal to this one, right? So, allow me to rewrite this. U prime formula. U prime over 1 plus u squared. Ganun lang kadali. Ang argument is i-let nimo as u. So, let u be equal to 2x. So, this one, para masimplify, i-rewrite na to sa to ang gilet. Y is equal to arc tan of u. Tama? Kay value ni u is 2x. So, if we take the derivative of u, remember that derivative of 2x is equal to just 2. So, we can now just simply plug in the answer. That would give us y prime is equal to, kinsa tong u prime, di ba si 2? Si 2. So, 2 all over 1 plus ato ang u is si 2x. So, 2x raised to 2. To further simplify this, we can now have the answer 2 all over 1 plus distribute the exponent, the law of exponent na ma-distribute basta multiplication, 2 raised to 2 is 4. And x raised to 2 is just x squared. So, that's the answer. Sige, let us try to answer some another problem. For example number 2, we have y is equal to arc sine. The argument is 2 cosine theta. So from the formula above, we have this one. So write na to ang solution, ang formula niya. Ano lang. Ang formula niya, di ba, is u prime all over 1 minus u squared. Square root. Right? So, again, sa atong gibuhat sa first problem, if we let the argument be equal to u, let na to. U is equal now to 2 cosine theta. So, i-write sa nato nga to ang problem. Y is equal to arc sine of u. So, if we will take the derivative of u prime is equal to, since constant, just write the 2. And derivative of the cosine theta is, from the previous video, na atay negative sine theta. And to simplify, we have negative 2 sine theta. So, derivative ani, dy with respect to theta, since ang original problem is y and theta, so dy over theta is equal to, plug and play. The u prime is equal to negative 2 sine theta all over 1 minus si u na to is 2 cosine theta squared and the square root. So to simplify the denominator, we have negative 2 sine theta all over 1 minus distribute 6 exponent, 2 raised to 2 is 4 cosine squared theta. And that's the answer. Ala lang ka sa yun. Let's have another problem. For example 3, we have y is equal to x arctan of 4x. So now we have the combination of the derivative of inverse and the chain rule, or I mean product rule. Okay, we have a two function multiplied by each other. So if we let this x as u, we let this one as v. Kay gamito na to ang formula na, diba, derivative of uv is equal to uv prime plus v u prime. So u is equal to x and u prime is equal to derivative of x is 1. And v is equal to arc tan of 4x. From the formula above, diretsahon na nako since I believe dali lang siya ma-master. V prime is now equal to derivatives of 4x is 4 all over 1 plus the argument na diri is 4x raised to 2, right? So to simplify, we have v prime is equal to 4 all over 1 plus 4 squared is equal to 16x squared. So to simplify this, plug and play. So dy over dx is equal to u times v prime. U na to is x. And the v prime is 4 all over 1 plus 16x squared. Plus v na to na arctan of 4x times the u prime na 1. So, the simplified solution for this particular problem, we have dy over dx is equal to, just multiply x to the 4 in the numerator, we will have 4x all over, let me arrange this one. Okay, since ang additive rules, pwede lang magbali-bali, 16x squared plus 1 plus arc tan of 4x. And that would be the answer. Diba dali lang?